Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious high protein gluten-free pizza with a base made entirely from moong dal. It's crispy, tasty and guilt-free, so let's get into it. Here I am using 1 cup of soaked moong dal. I have soaked it for around 7 to 8 hours. In that I will add 5 to 6 green chilies, 1 to 2 inches of ginger, and we will blend this together. So our moong dal batter looks something like this. So while grinding we will add little water to make a smooth thick batter, just like a pancake batter. Into this we will add 1 tablespoon of rava, that is suji, and salt as per our taste, and a pinch of baking soda so that our base gets little fluffy. Now I'll mix the batter properly, and you can see it has become a little fluffy as we have added soda to it. Now for our pizza toppings, I have taken diced capsicum and diced onions and half cup of paneer. You can add your veggies as per your choice. And for pizza sauce, I have made homemade pizza sauce using 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce. We'll mix everything well and our pizza sauce is ready. So in a non-stick pan, I will add 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee and let our pan heat. Now pour a ladle full of batter and spread it out gently like a thick dosa or a pancake. We will cook one side for 4 to 5 minutes on a low flame and then flip it and cook the another side for 4 to 5 minutes. After flipping on the cooked side we will apply our homemade pizza sauce. We will spread it evenly. After that we will sprinkle some mozzarella cheese. Since it's a healthy pizza, I will sprinkle very little amount of the mozzarella cheese just for the taste. After that we will add our toppings. So here I am adding paneer cubes. After that we will add our onions and capsicum. We'll add little more mozzarella cheese and then sprinkle some pizza herbs like oregano and chili flakes. We will cover the top of the pizza with a lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes till the cheese melts and vegetables are cooked a little, and our pizza is ready. And there you have it, a crispy, healthy moong dal pizza that's loaded with flavor and protein. Try it out and let me know in the comments how you topped yours. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Thank you for watching.